Imagine landing on the south coast of Haiti, stepping into a gateway that feels like the future and feels like home. Welcome to Les Cayes International, an airport concept shaped by the sea, the sun, and the people who make this city special. I walk you through the arrival, a palm-shaded forecourt, a breeze-first terminal with soaring timber canopies, patterned screens, local stone that stays cool without blasting AC. Solar panels float above the parking, charging shuttles and keeping costs low. Inside, it's simple, intuitive, and fast. Check-in islands double as community art galleries. Security flows into a daylight hall where you can see your gate from the door. No stress, no maze. The runway extension brings regional jets safely in. Port-au-Prince, Santo Domingo, Miami-sized hops. A parallel taxiway keeps traffic moving. A compact control tower, hurricane-hardened, watches over it all. Now the details that matter. Rooflines channel rain into cisterns. Louvers breathe with the trade winds. Backup power, a microgrid with solar, battery, and clean backup fuel. Materials are local, buildable, and meant to be repaired on site. Jobs stay here. Skills grow here. Cargo isn't an afterthought. A cool chain shed sits beside the apron. Mangoes, coffee, cacao, from field to flight in hours, not days. Step outside and the airport becomes a district. A shaded transit plaza, minibuses, bikes, coastal shuttles, a small marketplace, crafts, food, music, turns waiting time into livelihood, and resilience is everywhere. Elevated systems, breakaway walls, mangrove restoration along the coast. A floodable park doubles as stormwater storage and a family space on sunny days. This is how projects finish. Start with people, solve for weather, design for dignity, and keep maintenance simple. Build in phases, apron first, terminal wings next. Solar canopy as we go, so flights can start sooner and momentum never stops. Les Cayes deserves an airport that welcomes the world and sends its best out to it. Beautiful, practical, proudly Haitian. Let's land the future here.